In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link two charts in TradingView, an essential skill for any trader looking to enhance their technical analysis workflow. Let's dive right in and make your charts more interconnected and efficient. First, we need to activate multi-chart mode to view multiple charts simultaneously. Start by opening your existing chart in TradingView. On the top toolbar, you'll notice an icon resembling a grid. This is the Select Layout icon. Go ahead and click on it. Once you do, a variety of layout options will appear, allowing you to choose how many charts you'd like to display at a time. For our purpose today, linking two charts, you'll want to select a layout that supports multiple charts, such as the two charts layout. It's important to note that you'll need at least a pro plan or higher to use multi-chart layouts. If you're still using the free version, you might want to consider upgrading to unlock this feature. Now that you have your multi-chart layout active, let's proceed to enable sync settings, which is where the magic of linking charts truly happens. Once again, return to the Select Layout menu. Here, you will see several options that allow you to synchronize different elements across your charts. The options include symbol, interval, crosshair, time and date range, and drawings. What you'll want to do next is toggle on the items you wish to sync. Let me explain what these options mean. By enabling the symbol synchronization, any change you make to the symbol, say switching from Apple to Tesla, on one chart will automatically reflect on the other chart as well. Similarly, by activating the interval synchronization, if you decide to change the view from a daily to an hourly time frame on one chart, the second chart will adjust to match this new time frame. This feature is particularly helpful if you're analyzing the same asset across different time horizons and want to maintain a cohesive view. You might also want to consider if activating crosshair, time and date range, or drawings options suits your workflow. These settings allow for even more in-depth syncing, like following a specific line or drawing you've made across multiple charts, which could be beneficial depending on your trading strategy. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to linking two charts on TradingView. With these steps, your charts will now be synced, allowing you an enhanced analytical perspective. As you proceed, always remember to tailor these settings according to what fits best with your trading habits and information preferences. I hope you found this guide helpful. Keep experimenting with these settings to find the perfect setup for your trading needs. And if you have any more questions, feel free to explore more of our videos or reach out in the comments below. Happy charting, and see you next time.